Is your hard drive corrupted, full of bad sectors, or just refusing to open? Don't worry, in this video, we are looking at the top 5 best hard drive repair software in 2025. Whether you need to fix bad sectors, recover lost partitions, or bring an unresponsive hard disk back to life, these tools can help. Let's dive in. First up, Stellar Data Recovery, a tool trusted worldwide for its hard disk recovery potential. What makes Stellar special is its ability to handle damaged, corrupted, or even inaccessible hard drives. While many tools only recover deleted files, Stellar goes deeper. It can scan failing hard disks sector by sector, rebuild lost partitions, and recover data even when Windows cannot access the drive. It supports all major file systems like NTFS, FAT, exFAT, HFS Plus, and APFS, and works on both internal and external hard disks, making it perfect for desktops, laptops, and portable drives. Another big advantage, Stellar can recover from severe corruption cases, like when your drive shows up in disk management but throws errors or refuses to open. In many cases, it can still bypass those errors and safely extract your data. On top of that, it offers premium features like repairing corrupted videos and photos. But at its core, Stellar is one of the most reliable hard disk recovery tools on the market. Next, we have Disk Drill Hard Drive Recovery by Clever Files. My pick for the best overall tool. Disk Drill isn't just about file recovery. It can handle corrupted sectors, display smart health data, and even create byte-for-byte disk images to protect your files. It works with Windows 11, older versions, and even Mac RAID setups. The free version lets you recover up to 500 MB of data, while the Pro license starts at $89 for lifetime access. The pros: Disk Drill supports almost every file system, works on HDDs, SSDs, memory cards, and external drives. The only limitation is that the free version is capped at 500 MB. Still, for most users, Disk Drill is the easiest all-in-one recovery solution. For something more specialized, let's talk about HDD Regenerator. This tool is designed specifically for repairing bad sectors by regenerating the magnetic surface of your hard disk. It's powerful and effective. But keep in mind, the interface is text-based and not very user-friendly. Pricing starts at around $59 for the older 2011 version and about $99 for the latest. If bad sectors are your biggest problems, HDD Regenerator is one of the best tools you can get. Number 4 is TestDisk, developed by Christoph Grenier. This one is completely free and open source, yet incredibly powerful. TestDisk can recover lost partitions, rebuild boot sectors, and repair file systems like FAT, NTFS, and ext formats. Now yes, it runs from the command line, but don't let that scare you. In most cases, you just hit enter through the default options, making it surprisingly simple to use for partition repairs and boot recovery. If you're on a budget or prefer open source solutions, TestDisk is an absolute gem. Finally, we have Victoria SSD HDD, a free tool made for more advanced users. Victoria is excellent for diagnostics and remapping bad sectors. When it finds an unstable sector, it remaps it to a healthy spare one, preventing future read and write errors. Now, this doesn't physically fix damage, but it extends the hard drive's usable life and improves reliability. It's not the most beginner-friendly tool, but for anyone serious about monitoring HDD or SSD health, Victoria is a must-have utility. So, which tool should you choose? If you want the most reliable hard disk recovery tool, go with Stellar Data Recovery. If you want the best all-in-one solution, Disk Drill is my top pick. For bad sectors only, HDD Regenerator is excellent. For a free and open source option, try TestDisk. And for advanced diagnostics and mapping, Victoria is the way to go. Whichever you choose, these tools can give you a real chance at saving your drive and your valuable data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which software you're planning to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.